Damn, I didn't think it was gonna be this windy when I woke up. I was planning on showering my dog, but I could already see it's drizzling on the floor. And yeah, I'm not gonna shower her when it's raining. I'll wait for it to dry up, drier weather. It'll be easier for her to dry up as well, you know. With a dark, heavy coat, and I don't think she'll dry up with this fucking weather. Yeah, so basically we're starting off the day with the 2-mile walk. We got a cheat day coming up today. I put a poll up on my Instagram. I put the top 4 burger chains, and the one that won was McDonald's. So I'll be having McDonald's today. After McDonald's was chosen, I spun a wheel with 5 different numbers on there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then landed on 9. So your boy's gonna have 9 items from McD's. Be frank with y'all, I'm not a big fan of McDonald's. I'm not sure why. I used to have it a lot when I was growing up. Quarter pounder was my favorite. They don't have that many items, but we'll see what I get. 9 items. We're gonna finish up this 2-mile walk. Just because it's a cheat day doesn't mean I'm not gonna be active. I got this walk with my dog. After this, I gotta go to the gym and train my clients. I'll be out in time just to watch the football game. The whole point is to watch the football game while eating those 9 items. All right, guys, we just made it to the gym. I got 2 clients to train. I'm gonna do some stretching, some core, and some extra cardio to get my steps in. Even though it's a cheat day, gotta stay active, you know. Don't let all that calories sit in your stomach and turn into fat, which most of it will, or maybe just turn into water weight because all the carbs I'm gonna be intaking, which is kind of what I want. I want to see what I'm gonna look like tomorrow with a nasty chest and arm pump. That's where all the carbs are gonna go. But yeah, don't want to be lazy today. I want to because I want to have proper digestion, honestly. And yeah, I'll show you guys a quick physique update in there before, you know, all the intake. It's gonna be like a 5,000 calorie intake. I already calculated all the calories that I'm gonna eat. It's gonna be like 4,000 and 5,000 calories. I will have a protein shake because I want to get my protein intake to at least what do you call it, above 200 grams, you know, every day. That's what I aim for, 200 grams a day, at least more than that. I'm just trying not to hit below that. And yeah, we're going to pick up the 9 items from McDonald's, and we're going to watch that Seattle Rams game. We'll see how that goes. I'm a Seahawk fan. The food won't last the whole game. I'll probably finish in the first quarter. And then second, third, and fourth quarter, I'll probably knock out for a food coma. Because I think this is the most food I'm going to intake in a long time. 5,000 calories, that's how much I eat in 2 days. 2,600, 2,600. Yeah, I'm a pretty big guy. I eat a lot and I stay active. I don't think that's a lot now that I think about it. I was kind of hoping for 10 items now that But yeah, I'm also going to weigh myself. Did something just fall out of the ceiling? I'm tripping. I'm also going to weigh myself. I failed to weigh myself this morning. They do got a in-body scanner, you know, test your body fat and all that. I'm only going to do the weight today because I did fail to do it in the morning, you know, after the restroom and lighter clothes. Right now I do have some pretty heavy sweats, shirt, and some socks. And the in-body scan's in the middle of the whole gym, so no clothes is coming off. We'll just go with the estimate. I want to say take about a pound off, and we'll compare that to tomorrow's morning weight. I'm thinking maybe a 3-pound gain, only because most of it's going to be water. And after I drop my calories, once I continue back with my calorie intake, which is 2,500 calories starting next week or tomorrow, Monday, I should go back to my normal weight maybe Wednesday. It takes about a day or 2 for my water weight to properly leave my body. Yeah, let's go get this training and stretching going. We got clients trained and body actively recovered. We did some cardio. I got 30 minutes finished, and I got my 10,000 steps right now. Probably gonna get more in the day later when I go walk my dog. But yeah, time to go pick up my McDonald's and watch some football. What I ordered was Big Mac combo, and I knocked out two items out there.
I got the Big Mac with the large fry. I got a spicy crispy McChicken deluxe, quarter pounder, a McDouble, a fish fillet. Never had one of those, to see how they taste. 10-piece McNugget, honestly, because I got myself a McFlurry on the app, and one of these usually don't tell you if the machine or the ice cream machine is working or not. So when I show up, that's what we'll find out if we're getting ice cream or not. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at home to eat.
Yeah, so we got our McDonald's mukbang right in front of us. We're gonna go ahead and start off an item at a time and go from there. But I do want to try this peanut butter McFlurry before it gets too melted. I got the mic on right here, so hopefully you guys can hear me better. I'm watching the football game, and let's get into it. Definitely gonna save that for later. Really good. Okay, we'll go ahead and start off first with the fish fillet. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's falling out of the bun, but yeah. Okay. Screw it. Got the fish fillet. Never had a fish sandwich at a fast food restaurant before. This is okay, not too bad. The fish taste is not too crazy. And whatever sauce they put in here, I don't know, it looks like it has relish and mayo. Oh, good. We got item one, complete, fish fillet. Would I get that again? No, I don't really go to McDonald's. Rate that a 5 out of 10. I'm whatever about it. 6 is being generous. And we're gonna get into these world famous fries. McDonald's fries are pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. This is not real potato. It's the potato grinded up, made into like a mashed potato. And then they freeze up that mashed potato, solidify it, wrap it in starch, then they fry it. Up next, bacon McDouble. Nothing fancy. Cool. This is already better than the fish fillet. Two items down. Next item, quarter pounder with cheese. Oh, look at that. Looks just the same. Wait, did the last one have sesame seeds? I don't remember. No. I didn't modify any of these items. I got them the way they come. I'm not a big fan of onion, but doesn't mean I'm gonna take them off. I gotta judge them for what it is. And that McDouble with bacon, that was a 7 out of 10. And this 1 to 10 is a McDonald's scale. Obviously, McDonald's wouldn't compare me personally to In-N-Out. But yeah, McDouble with bacon, 7 out of 10. This, I would say, is a 7.5 out of 10. Back to the fries. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more items. Okay, let's get a break from the meat and the chicken combination, the meat and cheese combination. That's all I taste and feel in my throat. So, spicy deluxe McCrispy. What the fuck is this? She looks all messy. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, here we go. Kind of spicy, not too spicy. Ordered 9 items, not a single napkin. It's okay. Water intermission. That crispy McChicken. I know we're eating at a burger place. I had to get one item that's different from each rest, right? At least from another. So I had to get into the chicken part of it. I got McChickens. Excuse me. I got chicken nuggets right here as well. For a spicy chicken sandwich, I give that one a 8 out of 10. Honestly, I think, yeah, that one a lot better than the McDouble. And then the infamous Big Mac. I don't remember having one of these earlier, ever. So, let's get into it. The Big Mac. It's basically 3 pieces of bread with a bunch of lettuce. All the shredded lettuce is falling. Not a big fan of the Big Mac sauce. The quarter pounder is better than this, honestly. I give this a 6 out of 10. Gross. I ain't gonna lie. Ugh. 5 out of 10, actually. The fish fillet is definitely better than this shit. 4 items left. Up next, chicken nuggets. Let's throw some fries in here. Knock these out at the same time. These fries are really good. We got honey mustard. Y'all, what's your guys' go-to dipping sauce? Mine's honey mustard. Their fries are 100% 10 out of 10. Best thing at McDonald's. Hot mustard. Oh, orange, are you? Let's give this a try. Chicken nuggets at McDonald's are definitely a 9 out of 10 as well. Not a 10 out of 10, but a 9 out of 10. Dude, that hot mustard is bomb. These fries really don't need sauce, personally. That's what makes them a 10 out of 10. My palate's fatiguing. Needs a change of taste. And that's why we got barbecue. No, Luna. Out. Back up. 2 more McChickens to go. Feeling in the gut, but I honestly thought this was gonna be a little harder. Two more items to go. These are honestly gonna be the easiest things to go because they're sweets. I don't think I've ever had a McFlurry from Jack in the fuck? I thought this was Jack in the Box from McDonald's. But compared to Dairy Queen and Sonic, they could do better. Just get this out the way. For McDonald's, because it's sweet and I like sweetness, 8 out of 10. What the hell's in this? Oh, cookies and cream pie. Doesn't look the best and appetizing. Stale, not soft at all. But I think I'm gonna love it because I like chocolate. Luna, back up. Because of how dry it is, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. It's being generous. Give it a 5. It tastes exactly as the cookies and cream Pop Tart does when it's cold and out of the packaging. So if you like the cookies and cream Pop Tart, it's good. But 8 items complete, and let's make it 9. This is what my stomach looks like. Oh. Looks all deformed, bloated, but I feel good. So we got the burger fast food chain complete. Next time I'm thinking of maybe doing the chicken fast food chains. I'm glad McDonald's is over with. I'm not a big fan of McDonald's. That Big Mac, I don't even know how it's their #1 burger. That sauce is fucking gross. 2 weeks from now, I gotta give myself and my body time to recover and actually lose weight with my diet. Doing 2,500 calories next week for 2 weeks straight. And then in 2 weeks from here, I'll post another poll on my Instagram. I'll do fast food chicken chains. And we'll do another one of these. We'll spin a wheel and see how many items I eat then. It's not always going to be 9 items. Sometimes it'll be 5 items. Maybe I'll get 10. Maybe I'll throw something else on that wheel where it's like I have to order everything on that menu. So it like makes it more of a challenge. Let me know what you guys think. Feeling full, but I'm going to go ahead and take the rest day and enjoy my food coma. We'll see tomorrow's chest and arm pump. We'll see how that goes. We'll catch you then. This is basically what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. Enjoy this football match and any other match that's playing on TV. And I'll see you guys for tomorrow's pump. So it's the day after yesterday. Our McDonald's is in the midst of getting digested. Gonna hit the gym, see how our chest and arm pump looks like. All right, catch you guys at my opposing. Now let's get this physique update after eating fucking 9 items of McDonald's. Should we do natural lighting? Yeah, let's just do. Let's do new. Let's not affect the lighting on this, and we'll just see where we're at. Actually felt really strong this workout. And I did wake up weighing heavier. Ow. We'll say, dude, that chest got a pump. Flick the nipples a bit to get them hard. I should have more cheat days, to be honest. I woke up this morning at 197. Probably all sitting in my gut. I haven't used the restroom at all. But honestly, I should have more cheat days. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Well, yesterday and today's video. It was somewhat of a 48-hour video. Dude, yeah. So, McDonald's, good choice. Big Mac, not my favorite item at McDonald's now that I think about it. And it's not my go-to if I'm... when I'm out and about and I go for burgers, The Habit, that's a good one, and In-N-Out. Those are both like West Coast chains, but I went off chains that are nationally favorites, nation favorites. There we go. I thought I was gonna consume over 5,000 calories yesterday. After totaling all the calories, including my shake, I think I only ate 4,500 calories. Not as much as I thought I was gonna. But if you guys like this type of video, in 2 weeks, I'm gonna post another poll on my Instagram. This time we're gonna do chicken fast food chains nationwide, right? I am doing it on a Sunday, so I think I'm gonna have to leave Chick-fil-A out because I don't know why they're not open on Sundays. So fucking yeah. And go ahead and be a part of that. Vote what chain I should eat at and spin the wheel, and we'll see how many items I get to eat that week. See if we can break the calorie count on that one. We'll see how low and how much weight I can lose till then. We got 2 weeks. I'm gonna eat 2,500 calories consistently the next 2 weeks. Hit my cardio consistently. I did go up to 197 this morning. Yesterday, when I weighed myself with clothes, I was weighing in at 195, but without clothes, I could have weighed in at 193. So I'm guessing a 6-pound gain with water
and waist. I haven't used the restroom, so I'm guessing like there's 3 pounds in there, or maybe all 6 pounds. We'll see what I weigh in tomorrow morning. I'm thinking Wednesday. That's when I should be probably sitting around 193, 192 again. And then Thursday, that's when we're gonna start digging down below 190. Yeah, so go ahead and stick around for that, guys, and I'll see you guys next video.